try to find, but my deductions do not divine. No, my powers are not divine. That attitude, great expectations that can delude, it separates me from you. I'm gonna get you out of this if it's the last thing I ever do. Honestly, I'm gonna get you out